Hey, I'm Chad, and I made this stuff that's getting shipped to you, and I've used it over the last decade with well over 100,000 people. Personally, me in a room over the last 10 years with over 100,000 people. And I want to share my absolute number one favorite facilitator strategy and idea that you can employ regardless of what is being shipped to you at the moment. And that is to remind people, regardless of what activity you're doing, what tool you're using, reminding people that they have 100% choice and autonomy in how they respond. So for example, if you toss out the original deck of We Connect cards and ask people a question, you can remind them that you have 100% autonomy in at what level of depth you choose to answer that question. If you're setting out the We Engage cards, photo side or quote side up, and people are walking into a room and you're inviting them to choose an image that represents a strength you bring to the group, they get to pick. And when you remind people that they have 100% choice and autonomy, the cool and somewhat ironic part is that they typically end up picking the more challenging or more honest or more real response. And so I was recently in a room of 3,000 executives at a finance company, at a bunch of financial institutions across the country. And, this is a group that's kind of arms crossed about doing some conversation exercise, And so my way of framing was just as a reminder, we're going to do a question swap with the We Connect cards. Remember, first of all, this is a science experiment, not a life recommendation. So we're just going to try something, and then after we're going to debrief, and I'm going to ask you how to go, what happened. And then the second reminder is you have 100% choice and autonomy in how you answer any question. So if you want to answer everybody's question because you haven't had enough coffee yet with superficial response and just kind of move on, that's fine. And if you want to share something that's real, honest, present for you right now, feel free to do that. And likewise, if a question brings up something really intense for you, you don't have to bring that up. You don't have to share that. You can pick another response. And when you give people that autonomy, it totally shifts the dynamic. It gives the power back to the group and invites a much more honest, genuine contribution. Whew. I'm Chad. Have an awesome day. And in 1 or 2 days, you'll get an email that's a little bit longer than this. That really serves as a mini masterclass in how to be a great facilitator. And so there's my number one tip. This one offers several different strategies. And so when you get that, if you want to make sure that the way you use these things are like tip-top best practices, carve out 10, 15 minutes and enjoy that video. Have an awesome day.